Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing of my new iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi and cellular that has arrived today. This is my old iPad. I think it is the fourth generation, third or fourth, I think it's the fourth generation. This has 16 gigabytes. It is also Wi-Fi and cellular. There's the little thing there. I just use it as a Wi-Fi one. If I need to use it outside, I will use my phone to link it up. This one is the same, but it is the 11-inch Pro. Wi-Fi and cellular, blah blah blah, USB-C charge cable, USB-C power adapter, blah 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 blah. Oh my gosh. I have had this for about at least 5 years. I had it from new, and it's really slow, which surprises me. I mean, it couldn't possibly be Apple which are slowing it down. It couldn't possibly be. So, let's take the wrappings off. Oh my god, this is exciting. Let's open the lid. There it is. Wow. This isn't the 2020 version of the iPad Pro, because the new iPad Pro 2020 has the very, very good camera on it. So this is the one before. But I don't care. It's an upgrade. It's in space gray. So compared to the old one, it is slightly bigger, but the screen is obviously a lot bigger on it. Wow. Let's turn it on. There we go. I would like the 2021, but they're almost £700, whereas this one isn't. So for me, this is a fantastic upgrade. Hello. In the box, we have your instructions, and that's the thing for opening up the for the SIM card. And here we have the charger and the charging cable. Now this is the first one I have with the USB-C. Does it come with a dongle? No, it doesn't. Haha, what a surprise. So the first thing I'm going to do is get some power to it. Now it's 90% charged. So swipe up to open. English. United Kingdom. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. So I've got my old iPad here. Just opening it up. Make sure Bluetooth and everything is turned on. Yes, it is. Now this is, like I said, is quite an old one, so I don't know if this will. Make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this pad manually. Let me go into settings on the old pad. I'm just going to have a look on the old pad if it comes up. No, it's not showing it. This may be too old. Maybe. I don't know. Never mind. Let's set it up manually. There we go. Right, let me sort in the login. So I've chosen my network. And now it's just going to activate. continue. Okay, let's do that now. There we go, Face ID is now set up. So I've just created a passcode for it. Restore from an iCloud backup. Now I'm just going to put in my details. There's just been sent a code that I'm going to type into here to verify. That's coming to my other iPad. So it's updating the iCloud settings, terms and conditions. And it says it's going to take a few minutes to set up your ID. So I'm just going to pop this on my iPad cushion. And leave it there to do its thing. Okay, so it's now asking me to pick a backup. Enabling location services. Set that up later. Let's do Siri. I'm going to put the dark appearance on it. And it is now restoring from iCloud. So that will take a while. Time remaining estimating. While I'm doing that, let's pop out the SIM card tray and add the SIM card to it. Okay, let's put the SIM card in. Oh, that's not too bad, a minute. So it's finished up its initial setup. It is now setting up the iPad, which means transferring all the data over. So this is going to take quite a while. So I'm just going to leave it now until it is done. Ping pong.
I'm just fixated.
What's the matter?
Look behind you and you'll see what's the matter.
Oh, it's Dexter.
He's going to do it. He's smelling the piss because she just pissed there when you came back from the bin.
Dexter. Ping pong, what's your legs? Ping pong got no legs. So there we go now. Everything is all set up and all the apps have been uploaded onto here, and yeah, I really like it. I've been using it for the past hour or two, just having a play around, making sure everything's logged in, and it's very, very quick. It's very, very responsive. I mean, compared to the old one that I had, this is just so much quicker. I took some pictures outside as well, and we had a cup of tea of the cat. And I did some video. Where's the video of the little kitty cat? I don't know where it's gone. Anyway, I did some video of it, and it's really good. The sound is fantastic. It's just such an upgrade for me from the other iPad. So I've ordered some protectors for it, a screen protector and a nice stand for it as well, just to make sure that it stays really protective. And I've watched a couple of the beginnings of some movies on it and everything, and the sound is just so good on it. So this is the 2018 model. It's not the 2020. The 2020 model has the much better camera that you'd find in the newer iPhones, but this is just still so much better than what the other one had. I couldn't use it really for taking photographs. They were extremely grainy, even in bright light. But this is just such a difference. It's incredible. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let me turn you around. So there we go. So yeah, the picture quality on it, I really like it. Very, very nice. So I'm not that disappointed with it. Actually, I'm not disappointed at all. I don't know what to say really. It's kind of like there is no comparison to this compared to my old phone, because it was just so to my old iPad, because that was just so old and everything. So this I will be able to use to make some videos as well. So it gives me a secondary backup camera. So I'm going to buy a tripod mount for it, so I can do it on a tripod and then I can do some filming with it. But yeah, I'm really, really pleased. This will probably last me a good couple of years before I change to another one. I don't need all the gubbins on it, to be honest. This one is absolutely fine for me. So this is the 2018. Have a check online, have a check on other channels. There are so many reviews on it. I will try not to sit on it, because apparently this is the one that does bend, but this isn't jerry rig everything, so I ain't going to be breaking it, because this is the this is the only one I have. So I hope you've enjoyed. Bit of a basic one, but it's really nice to share with you guys, because I do like my iPad, and I really do like this one, and I can recommend it. If you do want to go for the newer one, well, that's entirely up to you, but for me, this is more than adequate. So, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.